is a festival celebrated by Cebuanos in honor of Santo Niño, the sacred image of the child Jesus. It was on April 7, 1521, when the image of the Señor Santo Niño was given by the Spanish conquistador, Ferdinand Magellan, to Queen Juana upon her acceptance of Christianity. Queen Juana danced bearing the image of the child Jesus with the other natives, following her example. This moment was regarded as the first Sinulo. 44 years after, another explorer, Miguel Lopez de Legazpi, arrived in Cebu. In one of the burnt huts, a soldier found a wooden box containing the image of the Santo Niño. The image was well kept, as if it were brought from Spain. Legazpi then proclaimed the statue miraculous and built a church on the site it was found, now known as the Basilica Menor del Santo Niño. True to its word, the Santo Niño has shown how miraculous it is to this day. The image we pay homage in presentation this afternoon had survived the fire that took place in Michigan last June 13, 2008, before this image was sent here in Tomball for this celebration. Truly, Señor Santo Niño has once again manifested that he is indeed alive and present in the lives of those who truly believe. Let us welcome the Blue Team in their pageantry of faith as they dance in honor and devotion to the child Jesus. Viva Señor Santo Niño!
It's enough!
Nag-load si Juan. Kaya kasi.
Wow! Galing ni Chito.
Ang galing na ano.